Alright guys, so we're making the left turn now. Line with the runway, waiting for the, I think we're second. Air Icelander is in front of us, so we'll be airborne momentarily. You can see the airport from here. Let me zoom in. There you go. Right. Zoom in a little bit more. There you go. Alright. So Air Icelander will be taking off momentarily, and we are next. See this guy? Boeing 737 MAX 8 heading to Reykjavik. So Reykjavik is the hub of Air Icelander, so everybody going there. And then they're gonna transport people to other destinations like America, Canada, and also other parts of Europe. Alright, let's look at these guys taking off right now. Come on. Climb, climb. There you go. Beautiful. Alright, so it's not gonna be our turn. I think we are getting the clearance right now, just because in Europe the captains are pretty cool. You do the turn and then hit the thrust and then take off without. Alright guys.